Hello everyone, I am Sherry from Beijing, Hungary. Today we are showed in the refrigeration industry event, China Refrigeration Exhibition. Digital intelligence empowerment expands the track, stabilizes the foundation and strengthens the chain to promote win-win results. Focusing on the theme of this exhibition, ebm-papst continues to develop its efforts in the fields of ventilation, refrigeration and air conditioning, whether it is evaporators in cold storage, precision air conditioners in data centers, or cooling towers in factories and air handling units HU in commercial buildings. We are present in all. This time, ebm-papst is making a grand appearance with innovative products at the 2024 Refrigeration Exhibition, AC Centrifugal Fan Redpack 3C Series. So next, let us take a look at the features of the new product. Unique impeller design effectively reduces noise, broad high efficiency range and high power density, minimal traffic loss in applications. Mainly used in data centers and building ventilation. For more new products, please follow us.